In this video I am showing you how you can fix messenger create a room not showing. So firstly what you need to do from here is you have to update your messenger app. So firstly for the Android you can open the Play Store, and for the iOS you can open the App Store, and then you can go to the search bar, and here you can search for the messenger like this and then search it. After that you can find these options, and here you can also find in the if you have update, then you can see the update in the place of the open button, and you can update it by clicking on the update button. So this is the first step, and the second step is you have to firstly open your settings of your device, and then you have to scroll down and then open the apps, and then you have to tap here manage apps, and then here you can search, or you can also find the Instagram app or messenger app. So here find it and then tap on the messenger, and after that tap on the storage. When you are here you have to tap on the clear data in the most bottom. So and then you can click on the clear all data, and then what it will do is it will refresh your app. It will delete all app data including files, settings, accounts, databases and cache. So it will be permanently deleted. So click on the OK button, and now it will refresh the app. So if you are on the iPhone you can simply offload the app by coming here, and after doing this when you open the messenger app, so let's see, open the messenger app. And after that you can open the messenger, and then you can tap on the open the you can create a room. So that's it, that how you can fix messenger create a room not showing. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.